Okay, guys, remember I would say when the market hits high frequency trader selling here, there's empty bars, they always reverse the market. You see we have imbalance in the Nasdaq. This was too quick, guys. You could not trade this reversal here. It's too quick. Once they do that, you see the skids here from the time and sales purchasing. So we see skids from the time and sale here. Still more buyers in the tape. Tape is moving. We see more volume here. You see in the past here there's no volume here. So let's see if we can get more information here. Nasdaq needs to keep on crawling to the upside. Did a short here, but the market just didn't move. Then I went long and just stopped me out. So I'm gonna be break even here. If I get to a bigger target, I'm gonna win a little bit. Okay, the market needs to keep on moving. I really like this type of reversal because it gives you a heads up that the market is manipulated and they're just up to something. They always do that at the end of a trend or something. It's like a trademark for them. I don't really know why they do that, but it always works. You see here they pushed to the high, empty bars, and they just reversed it. So the tape told us here that we need to go long. We see an almost 10,000 volume candle here. So the volume picked up. So there's people that know something that we do not know. So we just let it reverse, okay? So we just place limit orders and trade from that. Okay, I would really like to see an 8,000 volume candle around here to see if the buyers can support this price. Still no, not too much conviction from these guys. Nasdaq is reversing again. We see a little bit buyers here. This pattern should work. We see 4,000 almost this candle. In this short, for example, here in this short, you didn't see that. See, it's only 1K bars, 300 volume bars.
Order submitted.
So that's something that you cannot trade. That's impossible.
Order filled.
Just let it develop. Once it hits a wall, you're gonna see the buyers pouring in. Okay, so you just need to check that. Check the momentum. You see over here, the buyers just jumped in. See the blue skids here. Buyers jumped in. So it's part of just trying to tie everything together. And when the market slows down, is when volume comes in. Nobody likes to trade those crazy markets because it's not healthy and it's not in the long run it's not gonna work. You're gonna lose. Okay, Nasdaq just reversed again. Then we go. We need to see more buyers. Still, I like it because we got almost 6,000 volume candle here. Volume is pouring in, and I like that. We see high volume arrows in the micro ES. ES is still not showing me arrows, but I like the way that volume is pouring in. We see they piling up almost 7K. If it gets to 8 or 9 or it gets above this bar, it will go a little bit higher. They're not gonna play hot hands right now. Okay, guys, market piled. It already passed the past bars volume, so buyers piling in. Sellers tried to control. I thought it was gonna reverse and stop me out, but we hold the trade. I will check this pattern. This pattern works all the time. You see a rush in a second, and you see at the end of it, it's just like they hit the wall. Okay, so I'm up 500 here, but if you can go up $100 or whatever. It's gonna replace your salary.
Order filled.
9 to 5 job, guys. So that's the beauty of day trading. You need to, at first, you need to understand what you see. Then the market will compensate you with if you have discipline and you follow the patterns. Okay. There we go. We see the blue skids from the tape momentum within Nasdaq with correlation and high volume expansion. We should see at least a little bit of higher prices. 20,000 volume candle. It's gonna break out. This volume knows what it's doing. So I think we're in the right direction. At least we are positive for the day. Okay, guys, we need to see this breakout here. They can go to the high of the day.
Target
Still, the
filled.
Nasdaq is not like too many
Target filled.
buyers in the tape here.
Order submitted.
We can add to the position here, as we don't want to be too much in this trade. Let's see if it continues higher. Look at the Nasdaq mess. Just doing nothing here, the Nasdaq. And it's making the ES do ridiculous things right now. So almost stopping out. I think it's what's gonna reverse. But I know that's a lot of volume here. And the guys just didn't, they just didn't puke here. So they maintained the position. So this can mean something. We see if this happens right now, market will go a little bit higher. We get some extra points. We need to get this order filled here.
Order stop filled.
Wow. Okay, we got the order again. I had a template in the other chart. Okay, so we are 6 lots here. Then we see an imbalance here in the Nasdaq. Here we go, guys. 400 contracts here. Nasdaq starting to move. We need to see more buyers in the tape. Okay, there we go. See lots of volume here, like the accumulation in this bar. Buyers are not giving up. At least we can get a good leg from here. Nasdaq break this resistance. Okay, we see buyers in the tape still green. Nasdaq needs to break this resistance, guys.
Target
Holding the
filled.
market. Okay, there goes the Nasdaq. Okay, guys, this trade can go forever. Thanks for watching. Remember, I traded this reversal because it's very imminent. You see the high frequency traders just push the market very quickly without volume. Then it's like they hit the wall. You see the volume from this candle is over 10K. you see the skids from the time and sales, then you can go and take a trade. Okay, for example, the accumulation here, sellers tried to reverse the market, but they couldn't. Okay, so you can see that, and you can see the Nasdaq divergence. Okay, so that way you can apply this
Target
this
filled.
strategy to your chart. Let's see if we get filled. There goes the Nasdaq. It already broke the resistance. We had imbalance in the micro, yes. There we go. Tape is moving. See buyers in the tape. See an imbalance in the Nasdaq.
Order submitted.
Order submitted.
Okay guys, so I'm out.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. There's my info down there.